Hi, my name's John Armstrong, and I sincerely hope that this message finds you healthy and safe. With coronavirus disrupting every aspect of our lives, the last thing that you should be worried about right now is money. But for some people, chronic financial stress is the new reality. With lockdowns, layoffs, and uncertainty, will your job be waiting for you? Will your company survive? Beyond money, the real frustration for many is the total loss of control. And that's why I'm very proud to share something that could be of immediate and lasting benefit to you. You see, several months ago, my colleague Daud Islam put together a shockingly simple online income method that gets rapid results, often same day, even for first-time users. The plan back then was to include this in a high-ticket coaching program. And then a pandemic changed all the rules. So we've decided to share this method with the public because, frankly, now more than ever, a lot of people need a financial lifeline. The lockdown formula is unique and powerfully effective for three core reasons. First, it requires no previous experience or technical skill at all. You just need an internet connection and a desire to succeed. Second, it assumes you're distracted by current events and compensates for that by being paint by numbers, easy to apply in about an hour a day. Third, it includes everything that you need to start earning fast, so you don't need pay tools or softwares to make this work. Now, most importantly, this is brought to you by a team of marketers who use these methods and have a consistent track record of results. So you might be wondering how such a simple system can work well, especially in these times of uncertainty. And the reality is that COVID-19 has forced more people to rely on online shopping. And this is exactly where the lockdown formula fits in. So if you're stuck at home, job number one is to remain safe. But if you find yourself with some spare time and even Netflix reruns are getting stale, you could easily start making hundreds of dollars per day from home to remove the financial worries today while gaining more control tomorrow. The lockdown formula is reliable, scalable, and backed by stacks of user proof. The one-time price is ultra low so that anybody that needs help right now can get access. Of course, it comes with a no questions asked money back guarantee, so there's no risk to you. You can get started straight away by clicking on the button down below this message. Now, most importantly, stay safe and all the best.